Hey guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Smoky Liner Eye Look using the Profusion Chocolates palette. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Right here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. Make sure to leave me a comment below so I know what look you guys want to see next, and don't forget that thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. I hope to see you guys in my next one. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.